Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. The stars were aligned at the Bob Marley Museum in Kingston last night in celebrating the 75th birthday of the legendary musical icon Bob Marley. The event saw the likes of Richie Spice, Toots and the Maytals, Mortimer, Jesse Royal, Protege, Nadine Sutherland, Marcia Griffiths, Bongo Herman, among others, who all graced the stage and delivered exceptional sets.
My love grows stronger each day. Don't hurt me just because you know.
We have so many things in common. Help me sing. Yet we are two different people.
I say yeah. If you want to say, I say yeah, no. If you want to say, yeah.
The celebration commenced with an early morning concert with performances from various bands, school groups and aspiring artists. The festivities climaxed with the Marley brothers joining hands and hearts on stage, paying tribute to their late dad.
Fight mercy, rise and take your stance again. See you fight and run away, not to fight another day.
During the performance, Damien Jr. Gong Marley brought on stage a few surprise acts like, get this, Kia Putan, the Fireman, Popcorn, the Unruly One, Ibamar, and of course, Kabaka Pyramid. As part of the celebrations, an animated video for Marley's hit track Redemption song was released, marking the 40th anniversary of the song's release. The video was shared on the Marley 75 website and tells the story of emancipation. Redemption song is featured in Marley's final studio album dubbed Uprising, which was released back in 1980. Now, the Marley 75 festivities continue throughout the year, which include a Bob Marley celebration at the Beach Life Festival in California in May, which is being led by sons Ziggy and Stephen. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.